Hi all, welcome to Something Talk 1. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic dream. It's shaping the world around us. From self-driving cars to voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is everywhere. But how do you start learning AI? How can you build your own AI-powered projects? In this video, I will walk you through a complete beginner's roadmap to learning AI step by step. Before diving into AI, you need a strong foundation. Here are the 4 essential skills you must develop. Python. Python is the most powerful programming language for AI. It's beginners friendly. It has powerful libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch and is widely used in the industry. So, first one is learn Python. Second one is math for AI. You don't need to be math genius, but basic understanding of linear algebra, calculus, and probability is crucial. This helps in understanding how AI models learn from data. Next one is data literacy. AI, artificial intelligence, is all about data. Learn how to clean, manipulate, and analyze data using libraries like Pandas and NumPy. And fourth one is very important, logical and algorithmic thinking. Understanding how algorithms work will make your artificial intelligence learning journey smoother. Try solving coding problems on platforms like LeetCode or Kaggle. There is enormous resources available online for us to learn Python. I listed out few resources in the screen. W3 schools have an interactive and easy to follow Python crash courses available in the free code camp in YouTube. A full 4-hour beginners friendly tutorials. Python basics, real Python step-by-step Python guide. Google's Python course, free Python course from Google. CS 50 Introduction to Python, Harvard EDX, a structured university level courses. Along with that, we have a more interactive learning programs from HackerRank, Python challenges, Python exercise from Code Academy, Product Academy, learn Python like Kaggle, focused on data science applications. Courses available online for the AI math basics. The linear algebra. To learn linear algebra, 3 blue, 1 browns. Essence of linear algebra YouTube series. One of fantastic series. A highly visual and intuitive introduction to linear algebra. Excellent kit for building conceptual understanding. And next one is Gilbert Strank's linear algebra and its applications. A classic textbook with clear explanation and examples. The MIT Open Courseware lectures are available for free online. Khan Academy's linear algebra course, good for learning the basic concepts. These are the few resources for linear algebra. For calculus, again, we come for 3 blue, 1 browns. Essence of calculus. YouTube is actually the 3 blue, 1 browns is a very visual and intuitive understanding of calculus or algebra. They given a very good presentations, so it is easy to understand. So for calculus and linear algebra, 3 blue, 1 browns YouTube series essence of calculus, essence of linear algebra are the very good and freewares we can make use of it for our understanding, especially for understanding the basics. It is these YouTube series. Again, I am repeating the name. 3 blue 1 browns is a good toolkit for us. And Khan's Academy's Calculate courses offer comprehensive calculus tutorials and exercises. Calculus by James Stewart book. Actually, it is a book wrote by James Stewart. Calculus. The book name is called Calculus. A widely used textbook with clear explanations and examples. And to understand the probability and statistics, Khan's Academy's Probability and Statistics course offers a solid foundation in probability and statistics. Probability and Statistics for Beginners and Scientists by Ronald E. Whirlpool. It's one of the book. The book name is called Probability and Statistics for Engineers and Scientists. A comprehensive textbook covering a wide range of topics. And next one is All of Statistics, a coaches course in statistical inference by Larry Wasserman. It's another book, a more advanced book, but very useful for understanding the theory behind the statistics. Best data science courses. Let's see, the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate course by Coursera is one of the good toolkit to understand data science. I used it. I learned it from this course. IBM Data Science Professional Certificate, that also from Coursera. Data Science Specialization by Johns Hopkins University on Coursera. And the next one is the Python for Data Science and Machine Learning Bootcamp in Udemy. These are the quick courses which is very effective to understand the data science. Understanding machine learning. Once you have the basics, the next step is to understand the machine learning, the core of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is teaching computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Machine learning enables computers to make predictions or decisions based on patterns found in data. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows systems to learn and improve from experience. Types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning. In supervised learning, training models with labeled data. One of the classic example is in our emails, spam detection. In supervised learning, learning involves training a model on a labeled dataset where each data point has a corresponding output or label. The model learns to map inputs to outputs, allowing it to make predictions on new unseen data. Few of the examples here you can see: image classification, identifying objects in images, the OCR approach; spam detection, classifying emails as spam or not spam; and regressions, predicting continuous values like share prices, house prices. These are a few examples of supervised learning. Unsupervised learning: finding the patterns in data without labels. This type of unsupervised learning involves training a model on an unlabeled dataset where the data points have no corresponding outputs. The model learns to find hidden patterns and structures within the data, such as clusters or relationships. Let's see a few examples, class examples for unsupervised learning. Customer segmentation, grouping customers based on the behavior. Anomaly detection, identifying unusual data points. And dimensionality detection, reducing the number of features in a datasets. Reinforcement learning, training artificial intelligence using rewards. Few of the classic examples are self-driving cars and artificial intelligence in gaming. In this type of reinforcement learning, learning involves training an agent to interact with an environment and learn through trial and error. The agent receives rewards or penalties for its action, and it learns to maximize its rewards over time. We already seen the examples like game playing, training an artificial intelligence to play chess or some other games. Robotics, training a robot to navigate a maze. And autonomous driving, training a car to drive safely. Let's see few key algorithms to learn: linear regression, decision trees, neural networks. Linear regression. Linear regression is a fundamental algorithm for predicting continuous values. Very simple to understand and implement. Used for tasks like predicting house prices or sales forecast. Decision tree. Decision trees are tree-like structures that make decisions based on futures. Easy to visualize and interpret. Used for both classification and regression. Neural networks. Neural networks are computational models inspired by the human brain, designed to learn complex patterns from data through interconnected layers of nodes. Layered structure. Neural networks are organized into layers of interconnected nodes. Looks like a neurons of our brain, with each layer processing and transforming data to extract increasingly complex features. Learning through weights. They learn by adjusting the strength of connections between neurons, optimizing these weights through training to minimize errors and improve accuracy. Versatile applications. Neural networks are highly versatile and capable of tackling diverse tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive modeling due to the ability to learn intricate patterns from vast amount of data. Try hands-on projects like predictive house price using Python. This coding, trying the hands-on projects will help you to understand more about these algorithms, linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Next, we explore the deep learning concept. In fact, deep learning takes AI to the next level. What is deep learning? Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers to analyze complex data and learn hierarchical representations. Deep learning uses neural networks to process complex data like images, speech, and text. Let's have a high-level look into important deep learning models. Convolutional neural networks, in short form CNN, used in image recognition. Recurrent neural networks, RNN in short, used in language model and speech processing. Let's see a few important frameworks which we should aware of while learning the basics of AI models. Start with TensorFlow or PyTorch. Both are industry standards. Build an image classifier using CNN. So this hands-on project will give you a good understanding on the CNN models. AI models are only as good as the data they learn from. So data is the key. Again repeating, data is the key. So we have to collect the data. Data is the base for AI models. So first step of the AI models are developing AI models is start with the collect the data. For data sets, use open data sets from Kaggle, UCI or Google Dataset Search. Then clean and process the data. Handle missing values, remove duplicates and normalize the data. The next is visualize data. Use matplotlib library in Python and a cborn in Python to understand trends in your dataset. One of the tips to start with is start with a dataset like Titanic survival prediction. The best way to learn AI is build projects. This build project, the hands-on projects will give you a lot of advanced knowledge. Here are few AI project ideas for beginners. Chatbot using NLP, spam email classifier, movie recommendation system, and written digit recognition using deep learning. Learn from experts at events like New IPS and ICML. Read more research papers. It will give you new advanced knowledge. Use RQ to stay updated on the latest advancements. RQ is a very crucial resource for the scientific community. Open access repository, preprints and postprints. This is the preprints postprint means that research can share their work before or after it has undergone formal peer-reviewed journal. It covers broad spectrum of scientific disciplines including physics, mathematics, computer science, quantitative biology, quantitative finance, statistics, electrical engineering, and system science and economic. So our next step is portfolio building tip. Showcase your AI projects on GitHub or a personal website. Artificial intelligence is powerful, but we must see it responsibly. So we must have ethical AI challenges. Artificial intelligence can inherit human biases like privacy issues, job automation. Privacy issues means all collects user data and how do we protect it. And artificial intelligence replacing job, what's the future? So the future of AI is artificial intelligence will revolutionize healthcare, automation, and even creative fields. So, my dear viewers, start your AI journey today and comment below what AI projects are you excited to build. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Something Talk 1.